Robot System Products is a company that makes industrial robot accessories for factory owners across the world. Our products include tool changers, swivels, hose packages, and more. We make it possible to get the most out of industrial robots while maintaining both safety and operational reliability. Our strength lies in the specialized knowledge gained from working with industrial robotics for almost 20 years. This specialized knowledge enables us to make robust, versatile industrial robot accessories that help our customers improve robot flexibility and increase productivity.
Safety is an incredibly important part of industrial robotics and was one of the driving forces for developing the ModuFlex series, our largest tool changer. For the ModuFlex series, we needed a data communication interface that allowed easy and reliable connectivity to any factory system, regardless of the network protocol. As with all our robot equipment, the ModuFlex tool changer needed to be as compact as possible to allow maximum freedom of movement for the robot. For that reason, an embedded solution is preferable as it reduces the overall size and avoids the needs for external cables.
Anybus specializes in industrial network communication. Our products enable any industrial device to communicate on any industrial network using any major industrial protocol. The Anybus CompactCom is a communication interface that device manufacturers worldwide have built into their products to enable their products to easily connect to the customer's factory networks.
At RSP, our aim is to build the best robot accessories. We invest time and money in being experts in robotics, but we're not experts in industrial networking. When customers wanted to control tool chains from their industrial network, we did not want to try and create an in-house solution as it's outside our experience. Fortunately, we found a good solution with Anybus. The Anybus CompactCom enables us to meet the customer's needs, modernize our product range, and remain focused on building the best robot accessories, letting Anybus handle the required networking.
Regardless of a company's expertise and resources, developing and maintaining industrial networking technology is complicated and would require significant effort to develop in-house. Anybus CompactCom is a ready-made solution designed to provide trouble-free network connectivity. To ensure integration projects run smoothly, Anybus provides expertise and extensive documentation to companies such as RSP.
The Anybus CompactCom has enabled us to offer a smart new product. In addition, we can target new markets as there's a CompactCom for all major networks. We would not have been able to develop the ModuFlex series this easily without the Anybus CompactCom. The Anybus CompactCom is a great product. It provides reliable industrial network communication, and it's easy to use.